10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition, liftoff.
We'll pitch you downrange.
Stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
And second engine start, you can see the grid fins deploying on the left-hand side of your screen. That's the first stage. On the right-hand side of your screen is the Merlin vacuum engine starting to glow brightly with the heat of that combustion reaction. First stage making its way back towards
Acquisition of
planet
signal,
Earth.
Maryland.
Coming up here, should be fairing deployment shortly.
Separation confirmed.
There's a call out on the nets and a beautiful shot of the Starlink satellites. You can see on the right-hand side there a little bit of planet Earth, since the vehicle is right now both going thousands of miles an hour. At this point, the first stage has reached the highest point of its orbit, the apogee, so it is on the downhill portion of its trajectory. You can see Earth getting bigger and bigger.
Stage 1 FTS is saved.
Stage 1 entry burn startup.
Startup of those 3 Merlin 1D engines on the first stage. Second stage continuing to burn nominally.
Expected loss of signal, Cape.
Stage 1 entry burn shut down.
So with that, we will continue on the first stage to apply some attitude control from those attitude control thrusters. And as the atmosphere gets thicker and thicker, the grid fins will actually start to gain most of the control authority.
Second stage on nominal trajectory.
And the grid fins will continue to fly Falcon 9 in, giving us aerodynamic control. Looks like we just lost the link as it re-enters there. Here's a shot of the drone ship. Again, that's 624 kilometers off the east coast of Florida, awaiting first stage for a landing attempt. Second stage continuing to look good. That glow that you see on the nozzle extension is normal. That's just from the heat of the combustion reaction radiating out to space through the nozzle. Now, part of the reason why the second stage has such a large nozzle is to try to get the most out of the propulsive gases that we're producing in the propulsion chamber. And so that allows the second stage to be a little more efficient in the vacuum of space. Coming up here, we expect to hear a call out for landing burn start on the first stage. That'll be just a single center Merlin engine.
Landing burn startup.
Shortly after, we'll expect to see landing leg deploy, and then hopefully a touchdown on the drone ship.
Terminal guidance.
Stage 1 landing leg deploy.
Looks like right in the center. That marks 61 successful recoveries. Third time for this booster. Now,